to Jay's Techie Crown. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Come, let's get into the video. Now take only 1 minute 30 seconds, not more than that.
Okay.
Wondering.
Purposeful.
Okay.
Logically.
Okay.
And prepare.
Put into. Wondering, purposeful, logically prepare. Let's do 24th one with 1.5 minutes.
See the answers.
Okay. Ready? Yeah. So tell me the answers.
I'll just start for about 1 second. First, I choose the modern, but I know it's wrong.
Modern?
Yeah. No.
There is no.
Most.
Okay.
Most modern. The second, I choose analysis.
Okay.
Third, I choose reality.
Reality.
Fourth, I choose arrange.
Arrange. Okay.
Fifth, I choose aims.
Aims.
Sixth, I choose again the most.
Okay.
Then 7 and 8, I'm not yet completed.
Very only most, right? How can you choose most in all the places?
No. The fifth portion also, the sixth portion also, the most is matching.
Okay. All will be most. Either one of them will be the 24th. The one is most. Second one is, you said you didn't check transcription. Reality is matching.
Okay.
Is the aim is not there. Achieve, arrange.
Okay.
All, as I said, all literature, right? About analysis. So 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me the answer.
I'm shown the great counter.
Okay.
And second is a major source.
Okay.
Third one is the reservoir of the biological diversity.
Okay.
Fourth one is basal to the idea.
Okay.
Fifth one is tropical.
Okay.
Forest. And sixth one I never see. That's no analysis. Sixth
Okay.
one, 1 second. Sixth looking only the diversity, I think.
No, I think 1 and 4, 6 are wrong. Colorful poison frogs in the Amazon owe their great dash to ancestors. What is it? Great?
Past tense. It's a great counter.
What do you mean by counter?
Just,
Okay.
yeah.
Counter. He is giving counter attack.
Yeah.
Okay. So Amazon owe their great dash to ancestors. Great dash.
Diversity.
Yeah. Great diversity. Okay. So tropical refers to forest here. Fifth one automatically placed. Now you are left with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So tropical is now cancelled. So another one is hence have been a dash source, major source. Major is also cancelled now.
Yeah.
The finding runs dash to the idea, counter to the idea.
Reservoir.
So counter to the idea.
The third
What
one
is the largest reservoir of diversity on Earth? 3. Now we have left with basin and only basin. Okay, diversity, major source, reservoir of diversity counter to the idea within the tropical forest in the basin. Either 3 and 6 should be right or should be interchanged. Should be basin of biological, but it's a reservoir of biological only in the basin. Let us see the answer. 47. See, diversity to the ancestors, larger reservoir, major source, runs counter to the area, tropical forest, basin.